Hello, are you in RAD grade 3 and have you been struggling with your adage? So I have a series of videos to help you practice your centre work in all the different grades actually, and this is my latest one. I'm going to help you go through your grade 3 adage. I'm going to run it and you're going to be able to follow me from behind just as though I was dancing in front of you, because what you'll find is a lot of the videos you'll find on YouTube or the official videos as well are all filmed from the front, from the audience's point of view, and when you're doing something that's travelling around the room and turning to face the back, turning back to face the back, it can get really confusing because you can think, oh my gosh, I'm trying to follow it and is that the right leg or the left leg, and all that goes on. So it makes it so much more difficult to learn from the video. Obviously, I am not advocating that you try and learn your adage from the video. Please use this as a supplement to your teacher. Yeah, so you've got your ballet teacher, you're learning it from your ballet teacher, and you can use this as a tool to practice your exercises. Okay, so we are doing the grade 3 adage today. Here we go. So it starts, I'm going to start a little bit forward to make sure you can see me. It starts, in reality, you'd start quite upstage. It starts in classical pose, so there should be no weight on that back toe. To get into classical pose, I think standing in first, rotating to the tops of those legs, really holding that core, think armpits down, curve the arms, and you're angled towards your personal corner. Here we go. Turn it up a little bit. Through bras bas to first, and one, straight legs, straight legs, over, 1, 2, 3, and up, really going slowly and slow. And run, step on the right leg, and first arabesque, second arabesque, and over, 1, 2, 3, through first, up, into your own position at the end. There you go. I really hope that helps, and let me know if there's anything else you'd like me to do. Oh, and if you want to dance with me, check the link in the caption below, and that way you can try out one of my classes. There's a bonus ballet class that you can try online right now, here and now. It's a recorded class, one of my actual classes, so you still get all the corrections and the tips and tricks that I give to the students in the class on the day. And if you like that, you can join the club and have lots of classes as many times as you like. See you later.